I have a TikTok clipping account that I built completely from scratch, and it recently just hit 70,000 followers, which is insane. I've been on my own clipping journey for just over 2 years now, and I'm actually going to scroll to the very bottom of this page, show you guys the very first clip I made, and I believe it was in February of 2024. It's been such a long journey, and as you can see, I've posted hundreds, if not thousands of clips on this page, and doing this side hustle has allowed me to earn thousands of dollars online. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys just a few quick tips on how you can do this, because trust me, it was not easy to do, but it did take a lot of time, a lot of consistency, and it's not even complicated edits at all. It's just picking a very engaging piece of a podcast, and you're adding captions, you're adding some type of b-roll, some pictures, and a title card right here. And that's essentially what I've done to all of these different clips that I've posted over the years. I've made the majority of my money in the TikTok Creator Fund, and as you can see, in the last 30 days alone, I've made just about $1,000, and I just actually got paid for the month of April today, and it was about 1,500 bucks. And to be able to get paid in the TikTok Creator Fund, you have to have at least 10,000 followers, and your clips have to be at least 60 seconds long to be able to get paid out. And I'm not gonna lie, a part of luck does play into this, because when you do get into the TikTok Creator Fund, you can get strikes on unoriginal content. So some ways to avoid the unoriginal content strikes is by uploading new content that has not been in the algorithm. For example, I clip Caleb Hammer. He posts every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I try to get clips out as fast as I can when the new content gets uploaded to Caleb's YouTube channel. Just for example, this morning I posted new clips on the page. He uploaded 5 hours ago, and I watched this first 20 seconds of the intro, and then I went to that specific point in the video. So what you can do is click more, go down in the bottom of the description, click transcript, and then you're going to click Control F and type in credit score, and then that will take you to every point in the video that you can screen record. So that's a quick way to find some timestamps. You could also go down in the description, see if anyone's quoting anything. So that's something you could do. Type that in, it'll bring you to that specific point in the video. So what I do is I screen record this with Streamlabs OBS. For it to be the highest quality, I do this only when I do manual clipping. And there's a tool I've been using for a while now, which is called WayinVideo. And I want to give a big shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. I will then essentially upload the screen recording right into here. And if you don't want to do the manual screen recording, you can actually just copy and paste the entire YouTube video link into here, and it will generate a ton of clips for you. So I did this method this morning with manual clipping, so I'm going to show you guys the entire thing of what I did. So I watched the entire thing. I cut out any fluff. So as you're watching the video, there is this tool right here called split. So you could split right here. Say if you want to go right here, split that, and then click the selected piece, click delete. It will then cut that out, and essentially you can do that for the entire video. So if you have any fluff or anything in your video that's redundant or that's not getting straight to the point, cut it out of your video. As you can see over here, there's a reframing tool, so you could select how you want your clip reframed. For myself, I just did fit for the entire video because I like the look of that. And then you can click subtitles, click style, and then you will see all of these different caption options right here that you want to use for your page, and then you can change the font and everything like that. So after I did the captions, I then went down to text, and I use one of these preset title cards, and I will add a title card right here above the video that has to do with the video. If you can't think of anything, just go to ChatGPT, tell it what your video is about, and it will give you some ideas. And as you can see, there is a watermark on this clip, and that's because WayinVideo actually has a clipping campaign that they are paying clippers for. So down below in the description, I'm gonna have the link to content rewards where you can sign up. And as you can see, there is this Caleb Hammer campaign that they are currently paying out. There is a total budget of $2,000, and 530 of it has gotten paid out so far. And so as you go through this campaign and you go through the resources, it will share you everything you need to know about this campaign with what they're paying, their minimum payouts. You can clip any Caleb Hammer video from the last 28 days, or for when he went on Joe Rogan's podcast, you can clip that. And here's all the requirements. And so far, I've gotten 2 approved clips so far that have met the threshold of the $5 minimum. And it shows me my estimated payouts right here, which is really cool. So this is additional money that I am making right here on top of the TikTok Creator Fund. So if you have an account that does not have 10,000 followers, and if you want to clip Caleb Hammer, this is the perfect opportunity for you. So that's one of the ways I edit clips across my TikTok clipping page, is by using WayinVideo. One of the clips so far on TikTok that I uploaded this morning, it's about to hit the minimum threshold to get paid out. It's at 3,500 views so far, which is this clip right here. So I do expect this clip to do pretty well since this was only uploaded uploaded like 6 hours ago. Would not surprise me if this clip got to at least 10,000 views. And I know another requirement for this campaign is that you do have to use WayinVideo to at least start the clipping process. If you guys want to check it out, I will have a link down below. They have a free sign up benefit that you can get for 200 credits. And then if you decide to get a package after that, make sure to use code Ethan for 25% off, which will definitely help you out to get started with using WayinVideo for your clipping process. And so essentially this has been the entire clipping process of what I've done over the last 2 years. Before this campaign came out of Caleb Hammer, I really haven't made much outside of the TikTok Creator Fund. The majority of my money has come from that, and I probably have earned around $20,000, which is great side hustle money. I can't wait to share more of my journey with you guys on this clipping page, because one day it will hit 100,000 followers, and I still get great traction on this page. And I also have been trying YouTube Shorts for this, and I'm just about 1 million views away from getting qualified. So I'm very interested to see here if I can make money from YouTube AdSense with these clips. I'm really not sure if they're going to see it as unoriginal, if they're not. So I will keep you guys updated on this when I do get qualified with AdSense, and to see if it really can happen. Anyways, if you guys found value in this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions about clipping, please let me know down below in the comments. I would love to help out in any way I can. I also have a free Discord community, so make sure to join that as well. Anyways, I really appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.